collective strength, surely success is just around the corner. After being pulled up, the truck rolled down the slope, but he's trying to hold onto his vehicle in vain. Damn, such power. Number 29, M105 Universal Combat Earth Mover, Heavy Duty Earth Moving. The M105's hydraulic blade, with its 9 feet 7 inch width, is built for tough jobs. Its ability to move in multiple directions allows for effective creation of defensive positions and roadways. This versatile machine is essential for any military operation involving terrain modification. Number 5, the Komatsu Joy 22 HD. Hybrid loader is a game changer for underground mining. Combining a traditional diesel engine with hybrid electric drive, it's designed to improve performance while reducing emissions. With a 22-ton payload, it's efficient, powerful, and significantly reduces fuel consumption by up to 30%. Perfect for any mining operation. Number 15, BMM 310, the world's first mobile brick-making machine. This innovative piece of equipment can produce between 10,000 to 12,000 bricks per hour, giving you unmatched productivity on the go. Its body is constructed from MS and SS, ensuring durability and strength. Operating on electric power with a genset capacity of 160 kVA, it consumes 16 to 18 liters of fuel per hour. The machine features both automatic and manual operation modes, housed on an SNPC-made chassis. With a manpower requirement of just 2 to 3 workers and using prepared raw materials like clay or mud, it's a game changer for the brick industry. Number 26, explore the capabilities of the ES5T Innovator, a top-tier multi-purpose offshore vessel built in 2018. With a gross tonnage of 4,064 tons and a dead weight of 2,500 tons, this 81-meter-long vessel excels in various offshore operations. Operating under the Danish flag from Esbjerg, the ES5T Innovator combines strength and modern design to meet the demands of the offshore industry. Number 27, the Portafil MX6. Shredder is an efficient solution for all your shredding needs. With its compact size and powerful twin-shaft design, it handles wood, biomass, and commercial waste effortlessly. The hydraulically adjustable side combs and quick-change shafts add to its versatility. Measuring 2.3 mm in width, 5.8 mm in length, and 2.7 mm in height, it fits well in various setups. The large open engine area ensures easy maintenance. A great choice for reliable shredding. Number 7, Komatsu WE 1850. This versatile loader is engineered for maximum productivity with its impressive engine power of 191 kilobars, 2,000 HP, and a hefty operating weight of 267,620 ohm. The bucket capacity of 3133 mm3 means more material moved per cycle. Its fuel-efficient SR hybrid drive system regenerates power during braking, reducing fuel consumption by up to 45% compared to similar machines. This not only cuts costs, but also significantly lowers CO2 emissions. It's ideal for a range of site duties, from pit floor maintenance to road repairs. Number 8, the Caterpillar 994H is a powerhouse in the world of wheel loaders. With 4 loader linkage configurations, it adapts to various mining applications seamlessly. Boasting a 1,463 horsepower Cat 35M16B HD engine and an operating weight of 431,000 pounds, This machine is built for heavy-duty performance. Bucket capacities range from 19.5 to 47 cubic yards, ensuring you can handle any load with ease. Number 9. The Bucyrus RH90C is a formidable crawler excavator. Built between 2010 and 2011, it weighs a hefty 175 tons. Its transport width is 6.125 meters, and it delivers a powerful tear-out force of 109 kN. The machine has a dredging depth of 2 meters and a horizontal reach of up to 12 meters, making it ideal for extensive excavation work. The bucket, which is 3 meters wide, offers a capacity of 6 to 12 human, with added features like air conditioning and a diesel particulate filter. The RH90C ensures a comfortable and environmentally friendly operation. Number 6, this machine is a beast. The Terrafelis 3 Evo offers a perfect balance between power and precision. The ability to adjust the rotational speeds of the rollers for different conditions is a massive time saver. Plus, the low-speed, high-efficiency operation means less fuel consumption, which is always a win. Homer really knows how to build a machine that farmers can rely on. Number 7, the Scarab 18X7, a true workhorse. With an 18 FT tunnel width and 7 FT to height, the Scarab 18X7 is a beast in the world of windrow turners. Its customizable options mean you can tailor this machine to your exact needs. Whether it's the anti-vandalism package or the automatic fire suppression system, Scarab ensures you get the safety and efficiency your operations demand. A machine built to perform, protect, and produce. Number 18, Nessie. Fascinated by the submarine cable trencher? Nessie, since its creation in 1988 for the Silk Project, Nessie has been handling underwater cable installation with ease. With a cutting depth of 10 meters and a maximum water depth of 14 meters, it's as powerful as its legendary name suggests. Number 20, Elphinstone WR810, a maintenance marvel. The WR810 is a must-have for any underground mining team. It combines a powerful Caterpillar drivetrain with practical features like a 5,000-liter diesel tank, multiple oil storage compartments, and an air compressor. The climate-controlled ROPS cabin adds to the comfort, while the all-wheel drive ensures it handles rough terrain with ease. Perfect for keeping your equipment running smoothly underground. Number 21, the Oversize TB 1000 is a game changer for airport snow clearing. Its 1,000 HP engines and 7,500 tons hour capacity ensure it can handle the toughest snow conditions. The flying cab design enhances visibility, and the hydraulic chassis suspension provides a smoother ride. Plus, the new performance line design makes servicing easier. Top-class snowblower. Number 12, Caterpillar 24H grader. With an engine power of 373 kilowatts, this heavy-duty grader is perfect for large-scale earth-moving tasks. Weighing 61 kilograms, measuring 15.8 of wheel 430 Yanori, 4.22 meters, Caterpillar 24H grader is in excellent working condition. Number 13, the Bell 4206D scraper stands out with its ground clearance of 23 inches, 57.79, and an overall height of 12 feet, 4 meters. Measuring 279 inches, 709 centimeters in length, with a wheelbase and width of 12 feet, 4 meters. It's built for stability and durability. The scraper is equipped with a Mercedes-Benz OM501LA engine, providing 413 HP, 300 kWh at 1800 RPM, with a displacement of 729 cu and 11,951 cu/cm. The hydraulic system has a pump flow capacity of 79 GPM, 300 LPM, and a relief valve pressure of 117 PSI. With a fuel capacity of 128 gallons, 485 liters, and an operating voltage of 24 volts, it's designed for efficiency and reliability. Number 14, Trimaran Ferry. Meet the 118-meter Trimaran Ferry, a state-of-the-art vessel designed by Austell for Fred Olsen Express in the Canary Islands. This high-speed ferry was launched in 2020 and offers unparalleled service with a capacity for 100 passengers and 278 vehicles. Experience comfort and speed with a vessel built for efficiency and performance. Maybe he can't carry this burden across the river. It looks like this truck has its own extreme unloading style. Oh, look at him fumbling with his leg. The rock this cat excavator is trying to scoop is almost as big as the machine itself. After being pulled up, the truck rolled down the slope, but miraculously avoided crashing. He's trying to hold onto his vehicle in vain.
落不去了。
3, 2, 1, bow. The driver probably has gotten used to maneuvering like this. This must be the most healing moment for the excavator. That could have been easily avoided with an experienced operating engineer, preferably union. Nothing can stop sheer determination. This is more about destruction than transportation now. A truck carrying 18 others' truck. This upgraded transport driver has proven that no obstacle is too big when moving more than meets the eye, as long as you pack it right. The pushes, not always resulting in collapse or disintegration. Crab walking sideways is also a good option. The driver's urgency and irritation are palpable as they tackle this wood hauling task. What a hectic scene. Oh my god, this vehicle must have had a terrifying experience. I hope the driver's all right. Like children playing in water, these trucks are having a blast wading through the river. They each cross the river with the same strength and power they possess. Even though they encounter a few minor issues, they support each other and make it through smoothly.
Пацаны наши якутские отчаянные ребята. Молодцы.
She was too heavy for the poor truck to get up the hill, snapping his drive shaft instantly and leaving them stranded. With no brakes and a heavy load, his driver doomed him. He was a classic, a handsome truck, now wrecked. Looks like Operation Save the Horn is now underway. The team is showing incredible effort to get this overturned bulldozer back on its feet. The Cat Caterpillar 300A3K pipe layer made a quick getaway after being pulled up, but its bad luck continued. This Volvo really seems determined to handle that large rock, but it still needs the support of its team to make it through.
No, it's carro.
What a risky driver underestimating the danger. At least he came out alive as a lesson for the next time. What a shocking sight. The excavator went down, but thank goodness everyone is okay. The train was hitting so much snow, the engineer just laid on the horn the whole trip. Using the MHU 800 is a game changer for our landscaping needs. The 3-lift and telescopic arm handle slopes and obstacles with ease. Ready for action without any prep. Weighs 2,200 lbs and priced at $35,000. Efficient and flexible. Heart-stopping moment when a truck carrying a crane misjudged the height and crashed into an elevated crane structure. Luckily, everyone stayed safe. The 70-ton crane's sudden collapse during unloading was beyond anyone's expectations. Luckily, he was safe when the gigantic crane crashed down.
Dale vuelta para arriba! Dale vuelta para arriba!
In a split second after he jumped down, the excavator started to tilt, ultimately losing its balance and collapsing entirely. Hurry up, faster! He already has a soft cushion waiting for him on the side. With every bit of skill they had, both drivers managed to avoid a collision. The truck and the car are safe, but the gate wasn't so lucky. Challenges and dangers are part of the job. Fortunately, the driver knew how to swim and avoided harm. The driver's fast and effective response helped the truck evade a serious mishap. Wake up! When their teammate's truck tipped over, the Hyundai HL 789 and the large Doosan excavator sprang into action. Thanks to their excellent teamwork, the dump truck was righted quickly. Oh my god, transporting this gigantic setup led to trouble. A 500-ton crane, 4 trucks, and a costly trailer were all damaged. Fortunately, the driver managed to escape just before the incident, and everyone is safe.
Stick it do.
The Cat D6R got swallowed by the deep mud, but luckily the team came to the rescue. Even one of the largest trucks in the world can lose its footing on a slope like this. Truly a priceless documentary moment. The heavy Soviet bulldozer, DET-250, independently tackles a bridge over a mountain river. The operator, fearing for his life, exits the cabin as the bridge barely supports the 40-ton machine. Loaded and ready, the truck unexpectedly started moving on its own, leaving the driver startled. Thankfully, the driver acted fast and took control before any mishap occurred. On the most difficult road ever, the truck driver couldn't handle the steep ascent, but it's a relief that everyone is okay. That truck's stubborn choice to take that road home could have ended badly. Glad everyone is okay. This truck seems to be really enjoying its time in the air. Liebherr L542 wheel loader for unmatched reliability and productivity. With its 2.5 mil3 bucket and fuel-saving Liebherr power efficiency, this $150,000 machine from Germany ensures seamless operation and maximum uptime. It's more than equipment. It's a partner in business success. Bell AZ7571. This truck is the size of a house. Can you imagine seeing this thing rolling down the highway? The Bell AZ75710 is over 67 feet long and weighs more than most tanks. It's crazy that it can even move, let alone haul that much weight. Engineering is wild. Oh, and did I mention it costs about $6 million? That's a whole lot of truck. (1500E), a robust solution in railcar moving technology. Weighing a mere 4 tons and priced competitively, it effortlessly pulls up to 300 tons with its 7.5 kilobar AC brushless motor. Equipped with a hydraulic system for seamless road-to-rail transitions and compact dimensions, it ensures precision and efficiency in every operation, setting a new standard in the industry. Senebogen 650 HD. At the heart of Ageco's port development in Alexandria stands the Senebogen 650 HD. This 50-ton crawler crane handles massive 10-ton loads with ease, boasting a price tag that matches its quality. Designed for durability and efficiency, it's the top choice for heavy lifting in challenging marine conditions. Sandvik TH665B. Considering the Sandvik TH550B for your mining needs. This BEV dump truck boasts a robust 50-ton capacity and features an Artisan R battery pack known for reliability and safety. Designed with minimal infrastructure requirements and priced competitively, it's ideal for enhancing productivity and reducing operational costs in underground mining operations. SVE 2520. It's engineered for efficiency, producing 200 tightly sealed 100 green coffee bags per minute with the FES 3061 auger filler, priced at $250,000. It's a must-have for Latin American manufacturers dealing with humidity challenges. SPT299E Spider Crane, a powerhouse in compact lifting solutions. Boasting a 2.95-ton load capacity and extensive reach up to 9.5 mm, it's engineered for precision and sustainability. Ideal for diverse applications from construction to delicate installations. Number 28. If you're in forestry, the Climber LV800 Pro is a game changer. This machine handles everything from stump grinding to wood chipping with ease. Its ability to work on steep slopes and loose soil while maintaining stability is impressive. The intuitive joystick control and quick attachment system make it user-friendly and efficient. Plus, the continuous operation in dusty and high-temperature environments ensures you're always ready for action. Number 29, VARD, Olympic Energy, a green revolution at sea. After just 2 years of collaborative innovation, the VARD, Olympic Energy, is here to make waves in eco-friendly maritime operations. This PSV boasts a 95-meter length, an LNG engine, and a cutting-edge environmental hull from STX OSV. With a deadweight of 5,000 tons, it's set to lead the way in sustainable shipping. Number 30, amazing functionality with the Knoll Multibaler 1220. This machine's ability to handle different materials and bale sizes makes it incredibly versatile. The built-in hydraulic system and automatic film brake detection are game changers for efficient operation. With high-capacity storage and an easy-to-use control system, it's designed for both ease of use and durability. If you need a reliable baler that delivers top performance and low maintenance costs, the Multi-Baler 1220 is the way to go. Damn, such power. Amazing. Respect for the tractor driver. Top 1 handshake moments of the century. Unbelievable. That driver's talent was on another level as they maneuvered down that vertical drop. Number 23, the Aljon 525 packs a punch with 543 HP and can handle up to 1,200 tons per day. It's perfect for landfills needing robust machinery without breaking the bank. With a weight range of 110,000 to 150,000 on LBs and different wheel options for better maneuverability, this model is both powerful and flexible. The bonus of no regeneration or DPF requirements makes it a low-maintenance choice. Impressive value for money. Number 24, Light Max, Power Max, and All Round Max of Technic. Sieber's Light Max, Power Max, and All Round Max are revolutionizing hay handling. These new models bring advanced technology and customer-driven improvements. The Light Max and Power Max are perfect for maneuvering on steep slopes with their lightweight design. For handling heavier fodder on flatter ground, the All Round Max features a wider hydraulic conveyor belt and optimized feeding system. These machines represent the cutting edge of agricultural innovation for alpine farmers. Number 25, the Porsche Spaltfix S360 is a real beast in log splitting. It handles logs up to 13.78 inches in diameter and can split them into 2, 4, 6, or even 8 pieces in one go. With an adjustable cutting length from 20 to 50 cm, it's versatile for various log sizes. The hydraulic feed and the angled conveyor belt make the process smooth and efficient, even for smaller diameters. Plus, it's super easy to operate with the one-hand joystick control. Perfect for high-performance wood processing. Collective strength, surely success is just around the corner. This truck is gliding through the air smoothly. Oh my god, luckily there was no one in that excavator. Just looking at the E101E excavator is making me dizzy already. Can you guess if he'll manage to land successfully? It's actually a perfect example of people who carry an extra load on their shoulders, but keep going to not let others down. A dramatic showdown between a dinosaur and a mammoth. Hurry up, get moving, buddy. Dancing excavators on a construction site. From the Ann Trokes' Pretty Big Dig. Ballet dancer excavators, dancing balletto ballet. Number 17, the Pacific P12 in SnowRunner is a true powerhouse. This super heavy truck, known for its role in the Canadian logging industry, offers a unique blend of off-road and heavy class capabilities. It features a 6x6 drivetrain and various body add-ons, making it versatile for different tasks. As a recovery vehicle, it can be equipped with a large service body or flatbed, and it can also serve as a mobile fueling station. Although it has an average fuel capacity of 350 ml, its fuel consumption is higher due to its performance in rough terrain. Number 18, combining the Caterpillar 385C excavator with Eberhard equipment results in a formidable machine for rail demolition. The Caterpillar 385C delivers the power and stability needed for tough jobs, while Eberhard's technology ensures efficient and secure rail removal. Together, they offer an effective solution for dismantling rail infrastructure. Number 19, DMAG AC7009. With its state-of-the-art design and technology, the DMAG AC709 delivers high precision and efficiency in lifting operations. Its combination of strength, compactness, and advanced control systems makes it a top choice for complex and heavy-duty lifting tasks. Number 23, the Scania V8 R650. Highline 8X4 Mark IV heavy military transport is a top-tier military truck from Scania, renowned for its ruggedness and reliability. Equipped with a powerful 16.4-liter V8 engine, delivering 650 horsepower, this truck excels in handling heavy loads in tough terrains. Its 820-4 drivetrain ensures excellent traction and maneuverability in challenging conditions. The spacious Highline cabin offers unparalleled comfort and modern amenities for the driver. Highly customizable, the V8 R650 is ideal for transporting military equipment like tanks and artillery, supporting logistics and emergency rescue missions. Number 24, the Genius STC HD260 by Addix Group is a monumental achievement in demolition excavators. Weighing in at 320 tons, this machine is the epitome of innovation and power, featuring Cat 395 next-gen components for top-tier performance. It boasts an impressive maximum working height of 70 meters and depth of 30 meters, making it suitable for high, far, and deep demolitions. Designed for ease of transport and assembly, it features removable tracks and modular counterweights. Its capability to work with demolition tools up to 25 tons and the use of the Daihatsu MSI 140R shear underscores its efficiency and reliability in handling massive demolition projects. Number 25. The Brage Viking is a state-of-the-art HTS vessel, engineered for high performance in ice-covered and harsh offshore environments. Its Ice-Class Ice 1A Super rating confirms its capability to operate in severe Arctic and subarctic conditions. The vessel, launched in 2012, features an impressive 1950 bhp and a powerful bollard pull of 250 tons. With a deck area of 750 messengers and fiber storage capacity of 2x 2500 mm, 160 mm diameter, along with chain storage for 8,000 tonners, 76 meter diameter, the Brage Viking is equipped for extensive and demanding maritime operations. The new OMI PS by Tyman Aluminium, tipping dry bulk. Tankers offer outstanding efficiency for $150,000. With a capacity of 60 cubic meters and a lightweight, durable design, these tankers ensure optimal payload and fuel efficiency. Perfect for bulk hauling, they combine cost effectiveness with top-tier performance. D8001S. This 1,200 kilo machine, priced at $45,000, is perfect for efficient cutting and drilling. Low power consumption and easy programming make it a great addition to any workshop. The 13.5, 17.5 kWh vacuum turbine is a standout feature. Highly recommended. Unveiling the Liebherr R946, built for superior performance in construction. Featuring a $240 kilo engine and a hefty 46-ton operating weight, it's crafted in Germany to excel in earth-moving tasks. With dimensions of 3.2 meter x 11.2 meter and priced around $400,000, it's the ultimate choice for efficiency and productivity. The Suzako Industrial Sweeper, priced around $50,000, weighs 3,200 kilo. Its powerful 90 HP engine ensures efficient sweeping, while its compact dimensions, 2.5 mm x 1.2 melon, make it perfect for maneuvering in tight spaces. Built for durability and performance, it's ideal for large-scale cleaning projects. The UDS 214 sets a new standard in industrial machinery. With dimensions of 6 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 3 meters high, coupled with a competitive price tag of around $150,000, it offers superior performance and durability. Perfect for businesses seeking efficiency and cost effectiveness. Adler Heater 500-750. E is your go-to solution for eco-friendly weed control. Designed for versatility and priced at $5,000, it delivers efficient performance with minimal noise and rapid setup. Perfect for maintaining clean surfaces without the hassle of traditional methods. Meet the Cable Plow, designed for precise cable installation with ease. It features robust construction, weighs approximately 1,500 kilo, and operates efficiently in various soil types. Priced competitively at around $20,000, it offers exceptional value for utility companies seeking reliability and performance. The 100 ECO hydraulic hammer is your go-to for efficient concrete slab demolition. Weighing 750 kilos and delivering 1,000 joules of impact energy, it ensures quick and precise results. At approximately $8,000, it's a smart investment for contractors needing reliable performance on site. This bicycle marks the edge of a sinkhole. Thankfully, no one was hurt. On icy and snowy roads, safety comes first when driving. Can you believe it? The Kobelco excavator is sliding down the slope like the wind. This excavator looks exhausted. It could really use a break. Number 27, Big Float E22. Transforming your excavator into a floating machine has never been easier with the Big Float E22. Installation is straightforward, with no need to modify your excavator's upper carriage. You can get this set up at your location or at the Remu factory, making it convenient and efficient. Number 28, a marvel of engineering. The Baitmag P100 isn't just another excavator, it's a powerhouse designed for the Alps. With a robust engine and hydraulic system, it handles steep slopes and water crossings effortlessly. Its ability to jump obstacles while maintaining stability is a testament to its innovative design. Impressive. Snowplow train. Ever seen a snowplow train in action? The rotary snowplow, about 70 tons, can tackle deep, hard-packed snow effortlessly. Ideal for mountainous regions, this powerhouse costs around $1.5 million. Perfect for keeping tracks clear and safe, especially during heavy snowfall. Tesmec 975 EVO. This 30-ton beast excels in rocky landscapes, making it ideal for fiber optic and pipeline projects. With its automatic laying system and Trenchtronic 5.0, it ensures efficiency and durability. Manufactured in Italy, it's available for about $500,000. Say hello to the Wirtgen W1000F. This 27-ton milling machine with a 1-meter cutting width and 320mm depth is perfect for road repairs. Built for reliability and efficiency, it's a great addition to any fleet. Available for about $400,000, it's worth every penny for top-tier performance. Introducing the Great All XL 4200, a versatile industrial crawler designed for challenging environments. Powered by a Volvo engine meeting global State of 4 and Tier 4 final emission standards, it excels on rocky, sandy, and uneven terrains. With a dual-range high-torque piston motor and advanced planetary drive, it offers exceptional maneuverability and stopping power. Built with dimensions suited for tight spaces and priced competitively for its class, the XL 4200 ensures reliability and efficiency in complex industrial projects. Number 15, the DeWen One-Pass Trencher MT4500 is an absolute beast. With 4,500 horsepower and over 1.5 million lb-ft of torque, this is the world's largest and most powerful trencher. It can dig trenches up to 160 feet deep, even below the water table without dewatering. This machine eliminates the risks and costs associated with deep excavations. If you're looking for the ultimate trenching solution, the MT4500 is unmatched. Number 16, Cofra's CDC method is a standout in soil compaction technology. The rapid impact compaction technique uses high-energy hammers to densify soil quickly and accurately. With the ability to compact up to 9 meters deep in advanced monitoring systems, it offers a reliable and cost-effective solution for various soil conditions. Number 17, Dipper Fox SC600 safe, quiet, and incredibly effective. The Dipper Fox Stump Crusher 600 is a revolution in stump grinding technology. Designed for excavators and loaders in the 614-ton range, it's ideal for tight spaces where bigger machines just can't go. The low-speed operation reduces noise and safety risks, making it perfect for residential areas. Plus, it's lightning fast with a 500mm drilling depth. Simply brilliant. Pavimentadoras de Concreto. Previously, concrete road construction relied on time-consuming manual testing. The Pavimentadoras de Concreto now paves 50 km a day, offering versatility for roads and airport surfaces with widths from 2.0 mm to 9.5 mm and depths up to 450 millimeters. Its modular design allows easy upgrades while smart electronic controls ensure precise paving. MT360 Road Header. Excited about our Sandvik MT360. At 800K, 55 tons, it's a beast in tunneling. The 100 MPa rock cutting head and electro-hydraulic system make it a game changer for efficiency and profitability in mining. It's amazing to see the driver single-handedly get the Volvo mini excavator climbing the truck. Not everyone can do that. The Ural 6x6 timber monster lives up to its name, powering through every terrain with its raw strength. Truly a beast of a truck. The driver's skills are beyond imagination. He handled that steep incline with unbelievable smoothness. Let's shake hands with the cat excavator. That's how you properly maneuver a tractor down a steep incline. a skilled operator to pull off something like this, and in a safe way. Rockin' machine still in one piece. Cheers to you, Mr. Excavator Operator.
Final resting place, not too spectacular. Tough on the machine, though.
Caterpillar 657G. Add to your collection with the Cat R 657G wheel tractor scraper. Priced at approximately $500 USD. This machine measures 12 inches long and 4 inches tall. With its authentic design and wide range of features, it will please model and landscape enthusiasts. The Synthetech P110 at $120,000 is a versatile machine for small to medium carpentry. Available in 3, 4, and 5-axis models, it processes various furniture types. Compact, 4.5 mm x 2.3 mm, 4,000 kilo item, and efficient. GEA Smart Packer CX400. Upgrade your packaging with the GEA Smart Packer CX400, priced at $150,000. This German-engineered machine handles 70 ml, 400 milliliter bags at 120 bags per minute. Ideal for meats, veggies, and cheese. It boasts over 98% uptime and rapid 5-minute format changes. A top choice for reliability and efficiency. The Blast Viking SH2560L is a powerhouse in surface preparation. Priced around $100,000, it weighs 500 kilo and features a blast width of 2.5 meters, with dimensions of 2.6 mm x 1.8 mm x 1.5 mm. It's designed for efficiency and precision in removing coatings and rust from large surfaces. X1100RH. The AUSA self-loading mixer. X1100RH excels with its 1.1 M3 capacity and Isuzu engine, 33.8 kW. Priced competitively, it features permanent 4.WD full grip R for safety, rear wheel turning for maneuverability, and a 400-liter water tank for extended operation. Ideal for narrow spaces, it's a cost-effective choice for efficient concrete mixing. Looks like this Volvo has mastered the art of doing a headstand. This unique skill is just how it gathers the momentum to achieve success. It was as if he had the power of a god, breaking the ground under the ATEC excavator with his push. The machine leaned, and the driver escaped right before it fell. What a scene. The truck loaded with wood is left hanging precariously after that daring attempt to cross. Yikes. The truck got stuck in the mud, and the tractor practically dragged it out. How can the driver expect to move again when he was already going and was stopped by the huge weight rip his clutch? The truck spun around in the wet weather, as if the heavens themselves were saying, "Time to call it a day. No work today."
Ready? Park all the trucks. Nobody else is coming back up. It's too slippery.
In such situations, I drove backwards. And if I was very overloaded, then I had to unload some of the concrete, no matter how the customer wanted it. It was a very steep climb. It was crazy. The tractor's greeting is quite impressive, isn't it? The truck hauling a mobile home is crossing a tiny bridge, and it has to be perfect to the inch. Forgetting to lower the truck bed gave this driver a collision they'll never forget. They were loading a yacht and they tore up the truck.
Да, все, блядь.
Unloading the cargo is much more interesting when you're a skilled and safe driver. Today is his lucky day. Is the vehicle preparing for takeoff, driver? This truck is wading through water like a kid who loves playing in the rain. The stubbornness has doubled. These two Volvos are perfectly synchronized in every shape. If I was his boss, I would have docked him for time wasting. Splitting that lift in two would have taken half the time. What a prat. How to get your 14-ton digger off the silage pit. Definitely don't try this at home. The truck's loss of control caused it to overturn on the slope, but luckily the driver is safe. The construction site turned into a dramatic scene when the Liugong 922E excavator toppled over. The crew didn't waste a second, working together to fix the situation. Their perseverance paid off, turning a potential disaster into a victory. This truck tried to make a getaway right after being rescued, but it was caught just in time. These two Volvo EC 3500 excavators are giving their all on the job. Do you think that truck needs to hit the gas to go down the hill? The small cat, rescued by the big cat, took off running. This stubborn excavator just can't stay out of trouble.